Hey, Math 7 students. Okay, I know you're sixth graders, but you're really Math 7 students, so I'm going to call you that all year long, so get used to it, okay? So, hey, it's Mr. Anderson here with our first video of the year. You are so welcome for me putting together the best video. Oh, wait, no, you've never seen a video of me before. Okay, well, I'm going to do my best to put together the best videos of the year for you. So, let's get going on the first one. Your first Khan Academy of our first seventh grade unit is called Signs of Sums. They're actually pretty simple. I'm actually going to go through three cons because they're that simple. So, what is the sign of negative 1.69 plus negative 1.69? So it's kind of like saying, if I owe that person $1.69, and I owe that person $1.69, how much do I owe altogether? Quite a bit, right? And so that would actually be a negative answer. So that's how you get the negatives. A negative plus another negative is a bigger negative. Ouch. Okay, what if I take a positive sum? So I have $123, and I don't know what that would be. Plus, I owe someone $123 and whatever that would be. Once I get done paying them off, I have zero money left over. So that would be letter C right here. Neither positive nor negative because the sum is zero. And the third one, hey, letter A down there about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just over 5. Letter B is up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a little over 9. So B is the positive value is larger than the negative value is negative. So that means my answer would be positive. This one right there. Hey, look at that. You're all set to do your first con. Now let's get the video for the next con. Adding negative numbers. Excuse me. All right. So we have negative 3 plus negative 3. I owe that person $3 and that person $3. Altogether, I owe them $6. Correct. Very good. See how nice and easy this is? Let's do another one here. All right. I have $9. I owe somebody $7. When I'm done paying them off, will I have any money left over? The answer is yes. I'll have a positive $2 left over. So good job. You were able to pay your bill. Third one. Here we go. I owe somebody $8. I only have $3. Do I have enough money to pay them off? No, I don't. How much am I short? I'm short $5. So that's where that comes in. Adding negative numbers is not hard. You're going to get that one done. So I would say so far, signs of sums taking you about a minute. Adding negative numbers, maybe another minute. So you're up to about 2 minutes and you're going to be done with two cons. So let's do a third one too, because they're really not that difficult today. All right, missing numbers on a number line. So let's see, if this is negative 10 and that's negative 6, the dot between them would be halfway between, so negative 8. Hey, it looks like every time I'm going up 2. So from negative 10 up 2 to negative 8, negative 6, negative 4, negative 2, 0. So my answer for this one would be 0. That's correct. All right, let's do another one down here. Okay, where's this blue dot at? So negative 7 is here, negative 3 is here. Halfway between the middle would be, what would that be? That's right, negative 5. Very good, guys. So I'm going up 2 again. Negative 5, negative 3, negative 1. Up 2 from negative 1 is actually positive 1. So my answer right there is positive 1. They don't always go up by 2s and that, so just be careful when you do that. Hey, but sometimes they give it to you this way. What is the blue dot on the number line this way? Negative 10 and negative 16. What is halfway between? Well, it looks like it goes down by 3s each time. So negative 10, negative 13, negative 16, negative 19. Our answer down here is negative 22. Oh, I should probably click on where that spot is. Negative 22. Again, not super difficult. So I know there's three cons to do, but I think you'll all agree with me. There are three very simple cons, not very hard. Hey, I'm going to try and keep my videos to under 5 minutes each day. This one is at about 4:25. You guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.